Is that good enough for my lightsaber?
That's
Okay.
pretty much.
Okay, so that's a lightsaber.
Now, what about double-bladed lightsabering?
No, we're not
That'd be
gonna
like
worry.
negative lightsaber.
We're not gonna worry about
Hey.
the other lightsabers.
Well, we've got one lightsaber at a time. So
Lightsabers
what's the
It is a
next?
spinning lightsaber.
What's the next ingredient?
Chocolate sauce.
How are we drawing the chocolate sauce?
Like a chocolate sauce bottle.
Oh,
What's
it's
the
a bottle.
chocolate? So it's just a bottle.
Yeah.
And if you
Kind of
want
like
to
a
large chocolate
ketchup
bottle.
Wait, what? I can't.
Is that? I don't know. I'm not very good at drawing a chocolate sauce bottle.
That's good.
I don't know. It's a bottle of. I don't know. I don't know what makes
A
it.
bottle of shampoo.
All right.
A drink.
I might look like an alchemist's thing.
What?
So did
Okay.
I.
It's
got-
just so weird.
Originally, I think the
We've got chocolate sauce.
Originally, I think the order
Ice cream? We should make it look like an asylum.
So there we go. What's the ice cream? What's it that gonna look
It
like?
can just be a scoop.
A scoop. Okay.
Oh, I know how to draw that.
How?
It looks like a banana.
Kind of.
Draw the scoop right here.
A scoop of ice
Oh
cream.
yeah, it does look like a messed up carrot.
Okay, that looks good. All right, I can get behind that. So it's like a scoop where it's like melting a little bit on the bottom.
Yeah.
Mine looks like a sad.
That looks like a heart with hair.
You know,
Really? I meant like a scoop, like an ice cream scooper.
well,
Oh, that
That's
kind of
easier to
scoop.
draw.
Mine looks like
No,
some
it's
kind of
not.
messed up.
It's
cat.
harder.
Well, there's the
These are the
eyeball.
shading and the three-dimensional thingies, and then the.
all right. And what's the fourth ingredient?
Banana.
No, we don't need bananas.
We can
Ew.
use whipped cream.
Yeah,
It's banana splits. How can you have banana splits
We
without
can make it a
bananas?
split.
Yeah, I hate
Okay,
bananas.
a bunch of 3 bananas.
Well, they said banana split axioms. I think the banana is essential.
Bananas taste disgusting though.
Well,
I agree.
well, not every banana split has to have one in it, but it has to be an option. Is what I'm saying.
Bananas, actually, I only like in banana splits. This
What?
is the only way I will touch a
That
banana.
that is weird.
I like it in my
I'm sorry.
cereal.
I just make
What?
really
Okay.
pointy bananas. I don't like cereal.
Yeah. So there we go.
My bananas are really pointy.
We have
My
can start
bananas
drawing
are
all
just
that.
lines.
bananas. Let's hopefully we can tell.
Wait,
The
those
difference-
Are bananas. Those are swords.
Well,
Swords.
My bananas are-
So we've got strawberries, chocolate sauce, ice cream, bananas, and we have lightsaber to lightsaber them together because obviously that's what you do.
Oh
We
yeah.
already decided that
Now,
banana
banana.
lightsaber by banana is death.
Oh, that's right. Because we also have to have a
Anything
death.
is
We have to have a death one,
We
right?
already
skull.
drew that. It's the skull.
Do we have
Right.
to do this in the
I'm gonna
exact
put it.
order?
I'm gonna put it on the.
What's wrong?
Well, it probably helps because then we'll be all together.
Okay.
Crap.
But as you please. Now, what was our symbol for death again? It was a skull,
skull.
right?
It's the skull.
Ew, that's gory.
It was like this and like that, and then it had a face on it.
Oh,
Yeah, it has.
that's
It had like that,
that's
and then
freaky.
It looks like an alien
that,
skull.
and then it had a mouth, I think, with the teeth in it.
No, it was just like a big oval. It was just like a big oval.
I think it was like I think it had teeth. I think it was
Here's
like
my
that.
death symbols, okay? Here's what I've got.
Death. And
That's
that so
pretty cool.
and that was the you don't get anything, right?
Yeah.
Death is the symbol for no
No
strawberries,
magical
nothing
wonder.
else. Nothing else was involved. So,
Why is
Anything
skull?
by itself is a death.
you know, I don't know. It's like they could have put 0, but they didn't put 0. They wanted a skull.
Because it's
I'm
dead.
kind of glad I wasn't here last
Yeah,
week.
they were in that kind of morbid mood last week.
Yeah.
Ooh, we should have been hero.
I want to make it so.
Hero Brian.
So,
I want to make it
Real.
so bananas.
we said bananas,
Actually, yeah.
ice cream
lightsabered
equals
with.
ice cream and bananas.
So wait, they didn't. We already decided bananas, lightsabered with
by
bananas
bananas.
is death.
Anything
Is death.
with itself is death. What we decide.
Is that true?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. And can we make it so? What about you can't multiply death?
So if you try
Death
to
by
put,
death. Death
so if you try to put 2 bananas in the bowl and you lightsaber it, it like all annihilates and you get nothing.
What about death and death?
I think in general,
Is death and death
lightsabering most
bananas?
stuff.
Well,
Gets
apparently
you
that's not.
nothing.
Apparently, this is a special kind of lightsaber that sometimes when it lightsabers things, you
So
get
it's like a
things that are not
smoothie
death.
lightsaber.
Oh, s-
Right.
It's a blender
Like a
lightsaber.
blender lightsaber.
oh, don't use it in fighting.
But it's
That's
a
not gonna
magic
work.
Okay,
lightsaber.
so
because
on these lines,
people
we
together.
need a lot of death on our charts. We have to get death where any 2 of them combine together.
Death.
Is that right?
A lot of death.
So,
a lot of death.
strawberry with strawberry is death. Chocolate sauce with chocolate sauce is
My
death.
skulls are like happy.
Ice
Yeah.
cream with ice cream is death.
Well, at least
Banana
you have
with banana
happy
is
death
death.
then.
You can.
Is happy death.
I'm putting a little piece of chocolate on my.
Now,
bowl
what
with
about
chocolate sauce.
what if death gets lightsabered with death?
Then it equals life.
No,
It
equals
equals
an
bananas.
angel.
Bananas.
No,
It
bananas.
equals Halo.
Halo, yeah.
Yeah, but we
That's
what happens
the
if
Halo.
you
Like
like
game or like a
What is
Halo,
it? What does it equal?
Halo.
It equals a Halo.
No,
What's
Well,
a Halo?
this is all we've got.
no, it equals a double-bladed lightsaber.
No, a lightsaber is not a thing. It's an operator. It's like
No, but a double-bladed lightsaber.
you don't get to eat the lightsaber or.
Let's see.
It should equal ice cream.
Banana.
No, no, no,
It
no,
should
no.
equal banana. It should equal death. Banana.
It should equal-
Anything
it
multiplied
should equal
by
strawberry.
itself is death, and that should be a rule in the banana split axiom.
So
I think that's
so are you guys saying that is the death like the identity element?
Yeah.
So,
Anything lightsaber
anything-
by itself is death.
That is.
Well, and what about anything lightsabered with death?
Death.
Is that death or is that itself?
itself.
Yeah.
Itself.
Itself.
No, it should be
Itself.
death.
No,
It should be death.
It should be itself.
Itself.
Why?
Because we need the identity property.
Well, that's the question.
Well,
Do you want it to
death
be an
could be like
identity
your
element,
zero
or do you,
property.
like of multiplication? You mean?
Yeah.
Okay. Then are we going to have something else that behaves like an identity, or not have an identity? We can not have one.
Something that it behaves like an identity, which would be a halo.
Or like add another one.
Yeah.
I don't want to go for Halo. That's weird.
No.
Okay.
How
Then let's
about
do
a dark
eyeballs.
mole skull?
Okay.
Ooh, for the.
So are
idea.
we all good with we're all good with the death for
Yeah.
all these, right?
Yeah.
My skull looks a little bit different than yours, but other than Yankees.
So what shall we do about death lightsabered with other things? Is that death
lightsaber
too?
with things is death.
Oh, it's always death?
Oh,
No.
Well, but
No,
I was,
death
No.
lightsabered with anything else should be the thing you got lightsabered by.
So.
That's what we have to decide right now.
Yes, that's what it should be. I agree with you.
It
I
should
agree
be
with
death
Cory.
lightsabered by anything equals whatever you lightsabered this by.
Okay, okay, let's vote.
You throw that.
So what are the options?
Death. Like
Her or
anything by death is death, or anything by death is itself.
Okay. All in favor of anything lightsabered with death is death, raise your hand.
This is 1/5 of
Okay.
a vote.
Oh wait, no, that doesn't.
Anything is that a vote or not?
No.
Oh, okay. So there's 1 and a 5th.
No, minus the vote. I didn't vote yet.
Did you vote?
I did.
He did. Okay, so 1 and a 5th. Everybody's in favor of anything lightsabered
This is my other 4/5 of.
with itself
I
is
only get one
itself.
vote entirely.
Raise your hand.
this is the other
Actually, vote for
4/5.
death.
I think that we still have enough on the other side to make it a winner. So
Okay, so this would be
so
death.
what's gonna be
Death
death
by-
with strawberries?
Strawberries.
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 And
Death
death
by
with death
strawberries.
would then be death by our new rule.
I'm sorry.
So it's a double death.
No, it's true.
Okay, that is true.
Well, that makes sense with our other rule, though.
Okay, so this is strawberry. This one
Bananas.
is
Oh shoot! Can I borrow your eraser? Mine's bad.
this one is gonna be
No, I don't
chocolate
have one.
sauce. This one
Can
is
I have an
gonna
eraser,
be
please? Mine's
oh yeah.
protesting.
Here is a pencil box if anyone needs it.
His pencil's
There
perfect.
we go.
Okay, so here's our scoop
Obviously,
of
it doesn't
ice
like
cream. Here's our banana. So go ahead and fill in all the rows.
then-
I can't draw strawberries.
And then death with itself is death.
Death with
Of course.
itself is death.
Well, that was actually a really good strawberry.
Okay.
Everything must be strawberry.
Then what about this way?
I just made a 3-headed
What
strawberry.
about bananas lightsabered with death? Is that gonna be the same thing?
Yes.
It's gonna work either way.
I can't draw.
So bananas.
I can't draw.
Or you could make it the
That's
other
a
way.
really
You,
weird
yeah,
one.
that would be interesting though. If you made it so that if things are lightsabered with death, then it's death. But if death is lightsabered by things, then it's themselves.
Oh, that would be
We
interesting.
already have it as death lightsaber.
I know, but say, yeah, you
Maybe
could
it
have
matters
death
which one
saber,
goes.
or the things at the top are the things that are, yeah, I don't know.
Which one goes first? This one or this one? Which one applies
The
first?
one
Top
on the
one.
top.
Okay, so this is
Why
first. And this is second.
So then if you, maybe if you have death first, then it's always death. but then if you have death second, then it's the thing that you.
But that's
Lightsaber
too
to
many deaths.
Well, it would be.
That's too many zeros in our math system.
It would be
you
really
Yeah.
interesting.
basically say.
Actually, let's try it, and let's see what happens. And
I
then we can
agree.
always go back.
Joseph.
I
Okay.
just drew.
I think
this
that's an
side,
interesting
but not
idea.
the side.
So
I agree
let's
with Joseph.
let's try it. Let's try it. So we're gonna, if you put death, if death goes first, then it's going to produce death, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the rule?
Yeah.
That's a lot of death.
I know, it's kind of,
Wait, do we have to write this down, or should
Yeah.
we not write it down?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah, right.
I mean, all this death is freaking me out. This is quite a gory math system we have here.
Yeah, there's a lot of death in this system.
No, can we just call it scold instead of death?
Oh, do you want to call it skulls?
Skeleton.
Scold.
Scollywag! Compromise!
No, scold. How about we call
Scold.
it nothing?
Oh, but it looks like a skull.
Skeleton. It is a
Scollywag!
skull.
We
Scollywag!
call it
Nothing.
nothing.
I like that.
Nothing.
We should call it.
I like nothing.
How about
We should
void?
call it
Okay.
alien bones.
Well,
Alien
it's a
eyes.
very special kind of nothing because when you put nothing lightsabered, so basically we're saying if you take nothing or death or whatever we call it, and you lightsaber it with anything else, I'm gonna just put an X for a variable.
The variable. What? Oh, by the way, if
Variables
we
should be
operator,
numbers.
we can add
Variables
Darksaber.
should be Variables
We
should
would
be
be-
numbers.
That would be so
Don't do
confusing.
that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Whatever you do, don't do that.
All right, so then we've got.
Give me a lightsaber with a black
Ooh,
handle.
can it be?
No matter what it is, what we've decided is that this one is gonna be death, right?
Yeah, if you put nothing in the
must
But
like
if you go
lightsaber.
the other way,
Yeah.
if
But
you
that completely ruins the
No, it doesn't.
commutative property.
oh, it
That's not the
does.
lightsaber. It looks like a
That's right.
candle now.
This is not. Your system is no longer commutative, right?
Ooh.
That's so fun though.
Oh, that is fun. Then you can make
Oh, something different.
We have a huge math system now.
So no
That's awesome.
commutativity. That is not an axiom in this system. No, commutativity cannot be an axiom here. Actually, if we tried to put commutativity in at this point, it wouldn't work,
The
right?
banana split
We would
system
break
is no
Our
longer
math system
communist.
if we tried to shoehorn
Cool,
in
we've
commutativity.
broken math. We've broken math.
Well, only if we try to put in commutativity.
We've broken our math.
That's true. Well, let's find out
Communist banana
what you think
splits.
should be the rest of this. So we still have to figure out what is chocolate sauce lightsabered with strawberries.
Ooh, it's a chocolate strawberry.
Well, it has to be
Chocolate-
something. Wait, it has to be
ice
something
cream.
on the chart.
It should be ice cream.
Oh,
It should be
ice
bananas.
cream. It should be
Bananas.
ice cream.
Bananas.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
But then what? If,
Ice
but then
cream,
what
ice
if you
cream, ice cream.
lightsaber bananas by ice cream?
Then it's death.
Strawberry.
How is that gonna work though?
All right. So here's what I want you guys to think about. Let everybody get a couple minutes to think. So
Can we fill in our own table?
you can
with
fill
what
in
we
your own
think?
table with what you think.
Oh, I might want to
We
make
might
another
change
table
it.
then.
You probably want to use pencil because well, or you might want to make another table too.
I can't be
You know what you think of? What a
You
Think
can't
about it.
add more things.
Yeah, I want you to figure out well, how should we fill in the rest of this, and what should the rules be? How is it going to work?
Let me draw my stuff really quick.
Let's let everybody have about 5 minutes to think. If you want to share with your neighbor, that's okay.
Hi, neighbor.
But try to think about
Hi,
this.
neighbor.
How do you want the banana split axioms to work?
What do you?
Looks like you did the homework.
I'm not sure if we need, why do we need the what it equals to be on this?
Oh, because these are the only things that are in our system. That's it. There are no more ingredients.
Okay.
There's nothing, which they're symbolizing with death. There's bananas, there's ice cream, there's chocolate sauce, and there's strawberries. That's it. You have to eat some combination of those things. But what's really weird about it is that when you lightsaber these things together, they turn into the other things.
That it's a magic lightsaber.
It is. Like, it doesn't,
It's a lightsaber blender.
you don't actually get to eat, like, something with all those ingredients
It's powered
in it.
by unicorn dust.
Oh.
Oh, that.
Cool.
Yeah.
What happens if you double lightsaber something?
There is no double lightsaber.
We don't have a double
We'll have to,
lightsaber yet.
maybe you should think about that.
Ooh.
I mean, maybe
This is just a lightsabering table. You could have a double lightsabering table.
lightsabering
It's
table.
different.
Yeah,
right.
I have an idea.
Why don't we make a dark sabering cable where we
Dark sabering?
Anything
Dude,
dark. No, anything dark saber with itself is itself. Darks.
Unless
Death.
I object to
Death, dark
historical
saber
inaccuracy.
Anything is death. Dark
How do I draw a dark saber?
Oh, it's just a curved lightsaber. I object to historical inaccuracy. There was only one. There's only one dark saber.
So how do
Yeah,
I
I
draw?
know.
What's there thing as a dark
How do I draw a dark saber?
When?
It's a curved
In a
lightsaber.
Clone
Lightsaber with a
Wars.
curved thing.
Like a curved one like this?
Yeah. Historical inaccuracy. There was only one of those. There can't be a magic banana split making.
So a dark
I've seen
saber.
it like
So say your rule again.
Almost.
Anything dark sabered with itself.
Equals itself.
That is complicated.
That'll be
What if
interesting.
something is forced against itself?
Then
Equals-
no, wait.
We're not
Then if death is dark saber, wait. If death is dark saber,
What happens if death is dark sabered by death?
Then it equals
death dark
death
saber
squared.
by death.
Oh, it's death. By
Or you
that.
have
It's the
exponents
same
and
as-
square roots and
Yeah.
all that stuff.
Right. It would
By
still be
that
death,
rule, it'd
right?
be death.
This rule would
No,
be
and
death.
like you see how
Wait, are we gonna have exponents?
death dark sabered by something is something, but something dark sabered by death is death. Oh no, death lightsabered by these things.
Uh-huh.
Death lightsabered by any of these, it equals any. But then death lightsabered, but anything lightsabered by death equals death. It would be the exact opposite with dark saber.
Okay. Okay, so
So
dark.
anything.
So
can-
this is the reverse.
And then
Can you
and
please
then
explain it in
anything
English, Dr. Manga?
anything
Well, I think that
times
he's
a
saying-
thing that's not
I think
itself
he's saying
is
that
death.
if you take the same thing but you dark saber it instead,
Why'd you do the witch nose?
It's like subtraction.
it will actually be itself. It's like the reverse of that.
Yeah.
In this one, X dark sabered with death or with nothing or whatever you want to call that.
Equals X.
I just like death.
Is no, this one
Yeah.
is death. So it works the other way.
Yeah.
So it's opposite.
Oh, okay. Let me jot that
Yeah,
down.
it's
somewhere.
like subtraction
more
to
paper.
addition. It's just
But you're gonna need another table for the dark sabering. No,
Oh boy.
All right, I'm just gonna
Oh,
jot this
boy.
on the back, I guess. Here.
because this is light sabering, and then we have to have a separate table for dark sabering.
Can
No,
I
I
have a
need to
piece of
split
graph
my
paper?
lightsaber.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
here's a whole pile of graph paper.
So, like, death, dark sabered equals it's death, dark sabered something is itself. Then X, dark sabered death is death. That is confusing and awesome.
Mm-hmm.
At the same time.
I know. Dang.
So it's all confusing.
What? You can't just assume that. This is fun. I like this. What did I miss out on last week?
We started on this, and we also talked about what braid groups last week.
Braid groups.
Yeah, doing math with braids.
Like the French braids?
No, just
Okay.
string braids.
Okay.
What's a French braid?
It's a thing my sister likes.
That's with hair.
hairstyle.
It's getting a lots of.
Oh, yes.
It's where you keep adding more hair to the strands as you go.
And would you believe all that time I just spent drawing my dark saber?
Well,
Oops, I
you
drew
better
it
get
wrong.
on your table.
Yeah,
we have to
which
fill-
table
have
should
to
we
fill in
work
the
on?
first one
Both.
first.
Oh.
Both? Ah, I need 3
know.
pieces of paper. I'm
I know.
just juggling everything. Okay, here. I need to note these.
So you have to decide how it's
Is that
going
a
to work.
paper?
Me,
That one up there?
Have one what?
That one.
class. Okay, actually.
Oh, this one that you brought in?
Okay.
Of course.
Why?
If I can get it to you.
I need to organize this. Okay, here we
There.
are.
My own completely death, dark saber, death.
I haven't even worked on the
Well,
lightsaber thing.
what do you think? Death, dark sabered with death would have to be death by this rule, right? But by this rule, death, dark sabered with death would also have to be death. And this one, death, dark sabered with death is also death. Notice that
But
these
then-
three rules are consistent with each other, right?
Alright.
But
So that's
notice,
important. If you guys had said X, dark sabered with X is always a banana, this would break, right? So it's a good thing you guys you would have broken your system. So luckily
Now,
you're okay so far.
but
Those are
the-
consistent.
it's a dark saber, but death. Any operations with death is always death, just like death
Not
plus,
always.
just like 0 plus 0
Yeah,
is 0,
yeah.
and 0 minus 0 is still 0.
Yeah.
I think we should unicorn something.
Although these aren't
Unicorn.
exactly like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah, we
they aren't exactly like
unicorn
addition though,
ratio.
because addition is commutative, and neither lightsabering nor dark sabering is commutative, so.
Dark saber.
But then again, subtraction is not commutative, right?
No.
Subtraction, 3 minus 2 is not the same as 2 minus 3, so. We can definitely have systems
One's
that are not
negative 1 and
commutative.
one's 1.
That's okay.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, you just reminded me of something. The thing. I forgot what it was.
Subtraction is commutative when you have 1 minus
Wait,
1 and
wait.
minus 1 minus 1.
The absolute value of 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 2 are exactly the same.
That's true. But on the real numbers, they're not the same. You know, one's positive, one's negative. So, have to figure this out. We have to be able to basically, if we write down a big string of symbols with lightsabers and dark sabers in between them, we have to know how to do it. So one thing, after you've got your table done, then you have to decide, for example, what should ice cream, lightsaber, strawberry, dark sabered.
Oh, what? We're required to do a dark saber table now?
Yeah,
Yep.
I think so. Dark sabered with a banana,
I can't be bothered.
and
We
then
better.
Someone will do it, right?
lightsabered with
Maybe some magical maybe will do it for you.
a banana. Something
Yeah, I'll
like
just go to
this.
sleep. The 3 elves will come
And
out.
we have to be able to figure out how to do a string of them.
That is first.
You know, what are the rules?
I think
How to
the
do
bottle
that.
looks more like an A1 bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not
The
perfect,
rule are,
okay?
if I think the rule should be if you have
Let's see your bottle,
if you
dude.
have
I said A1 bottle.
Let's see what your
a
bottle looks like.
certain if you have
It looks
a
like a
number
thing.
Let me see.
symbol of
No, that's not
operation in
I
so death.
dark
If you
saber.
have more
It's
one
second,
operation
then it's death,
in
okay.
multiple operations than another, then when the operations that are more common cancel out the operations that are rarer.
Oh, you think so? So you think that the two lightsabers here beat up on the dark saber and turn it into a lightsaber before it even gets started?
No.
Yes.
No. That's
Yeah,
Well, that would definitely be different.
that'd be cool.
So wait, what do they do?
So she said he said that if you have one kind of operation that there's more of than the other kind, then before you even get started evaluating what it is, the two lightsabers beat up on the dark saber and turn it into a lightsaber.
Teamers? Jerks?
I don't know what that would do to our math. I think that would
crack our math.
that might break it actually.
No,
It's hard to
Aiden,
say.
I refuse to live by your
It's
evil
hard to
math.
say.
Your evil sorcery.
I think it's
It
worth
beats
But
up on my dark
You do have to,
sabers.
no matter what you do, you do have to decide, are you gonna start at this end and then work your way this way, or are you gonna start at this end and work your way this way?
Let's
Or
go
you
left
can
to
have a
left.
dark saber
Left to
with
right.
the
Right to
dark
left.
saber.
Right to
Dark
left.
saber.
Right to left is
okay,
too
let's
confusing.
vote. Left to right.
Chinese way.
Left to right.
Top to bottom.
Left to right.
Top to bottom.
Middle
I know a
outward.
different option.
Oh yeah, let's
Left
talk
to right.
about
Everybody.
Wait, what's the different option? We don't know.
Different option.
Bottom to top.
Wait.
Look at a compromise.
Yes.
We start in the middle and work our way out.
Oh.
Whoa.
How do you know where the
Whoa.
middle is?
I would actually.
What if there's a whole lot of
This
them?
is the middle.
Well, what if there's a whole lot of them and there's not exactly a middle?
So if there's 20, we can find the median.
Find the median.
No, not the median. These are
What's the median of dark-
a middle operation.
Well, what's the median of O?
Exactly.
So there either be a middle.
Median O? The median O.
But what if they're
triangle?
Right. It will always.
both of these dark saber, both of these lightsabers, and both of these lightsabers.
But if I added on another operation, then
Or maybe that wouldn't work. 1, 2, 3.
That wouldn't work.
I don't think it
Well,
would.
yeah, well then you'd have
Yeah,
a
but
middle
you-
banana. Because if you added another
Yeah,
operation,
and what does it mean to start with a banana in
And
the
it'll
middle?
always be odd.
Wait, doesn't
you
wait,
banana,
doesn't- wait,
you
I think
lightsaber and dark
What
saber.
is odd in this number system?
At the same time?
Odd is even.
Odd
Now I'm
has no
really confused.
definition in this number system
Let's-
at this
this
point
isn't
in
even
time.
Okay,
odd means even.
We probably need to pick either from the left or from the right.
Oh,
Right
I
to
kinda
left.
like the top
Left.
bottom.
Bottom to top.
Left. Left.
Bottom to top.
Bottom to
Left.
top.
The top to bottom.
Right to left. Do everything twice.
Left.
Just make it vertical and do it
Left.
top to bottom.
Right to left.
Left.
Right to left. Right to
All
left.
right, so,
Left to right.
Wait, I have an idea.
yeah,
Let's do.
You do every
There's an order of operations.
calculation, like single one, every single operation, and then
No, there's an
operate
order.
those together.
oh,
There's an
so
order
you
of
would, you would
operations.
operate these two together and operate these two together.
Yeah.
And then see what you get?
No,
But if
we
you
should-
operate these together, you're gonna get something. When you operate these two together, you get something, but there's no operation between them. That's my concern.
Use a lightsaber.
Always?
Yeah.
we should have an order of operations that lightsabers are first and dark sabers are second.
So you would do these two first, and then these two first, and then dark saber later?
Yeah. Like
And,
order of
and do
operations.
you go from left to right with your lightsabering and dark sabering,
Right
or
to
right
left.
to
We have
left?
to vote on that
Right
yet.
to left.
Okay, all in favor of left to right.
This
I
is
have an
All in
idea.
favor of
I
right
have
to
an
left.
idea about
Yay,
right to left.
This is
Right to
for
left. I have an idea about something.
Right to
Okay.
left.
How do we operate operations?
I think it did. Right to left. So,
Yes.
How do we operate?
so you have to
we
do this one first, then this one,
We
and dark
operate
saber.
I have an idea.
What?
So, we do lightsaber, dark saber, lightsaber, and then lightsaber and then dark saber with all of them.
Dark sabers
are evil.
together.
No, they're not.
So, well,
Jedi
it sounds like what the people have
They were
voted on
Jedi
is, we're gonna go from right
It
to
was a Jedi
left.
weapon.
Does everyone agree lightsabers have precedence over dark sabers?
dark
Yeah.
sabers get precedence.
Oh, now we
No,
have to vote on that.
lightsabers.
Okay, all in favor of
Light-
lightsabers having precedence over dark sabers?
This and a 5.
All in favor of dark sabers having precedence over lightsabers? So, you would dark saber first.
Yeah.
Now,
Why are they called dark sabers?
so we're gonna go from, wait now, we're gonna go from right to left. Does that mean that this is considered the first, guys? Does that mean that this is considered the first and this is the second if we're going
Yes.
from right to left?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
So on our chart,
Yeah,
this
you
would
go
be
right to
first
left
and
and
the
like-
second.
Right
So
to
we
left
would dark
and
saber first. So we got to get our lightsaber and dark saber charts together. So let's see.
Oh, why
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
you done that?
Now I've got. How am I going to?
This, I don't know how to do the lightsaber.
Here's what I'm gonna
It's
do.
confusing me too. So.
I'm gonna put.
Because if it's not commutative,
I'm gonna put my dark sabers up here too.
5.
I'm gonna squeeze them onto the same chart
I used letters.
by putting a.
Drawing
line.
over is annoying.
And I'm gonna squeeze my dark saber answers into the corners. We'll see if that will work.
I haven't actually gotten my chart together. I've been busy discussing. with
No,
the
can I make 2
thing.
different tables?
Thing.
Yes,
Discussing
you guys
the
can
thing.
use different tables, but I don't have room on my board. So I'm going to put the dark saber answers
And write them in a different
in
color.
the corners.
You should write them in a different color.
All right,
I've already finished my dark saber table, by the way.
I will.
It's a rat.
I mean, with
So
everything
first of
that's
all,
my
Don't
lightsaber.
vote it.
We're gonna have to decide what to do with the lightsaber.
Or a
answers.
satellite.
So does anyone have a proposal
Yeah.
for how the lightsabering should work with different things?
Yeah.
What's your proposal?
This.
Okay, can you explain? Can you explain it? So what would this be?
So
Chocolate lightsabered with strawberries would be.
would be banana,
Okay, and ice cream lightsabered with strawberry would be.
chocolate,
My
And
ice cream strawberry.
Banana lightsabered with strawberry would be. Strawberry.
ice cream.
Wait, what?
Okay, so I guess So
I have an
is there a pattern to it or is it random?
Random. There's a pattern to it.
Okay. So he's got a pattern to his. Does anyone else have another idea for how
So
it should
you
work
could
for
extend
lightsaber?
this
pattern to
chart
it.
as much
Mine
as
is-
you want, and you could continue this pattern.
Okay. What's your?
Mine is a strawberry lightsaber with chocolate sauce equals ice cream. Ice cream lightsaber with strawberries equals bananas. Bananas lightsaber with strawberries equals strawberries. But strawberries lightsaber
That's
with
for dark saber.
Oh, no.
Is that dark
Yeah, that's
sabering or
fine.
No,
lightsaber?
with
That's your dark
lightsaber.
saber. That's your dark saber. That's lightsabering.
Strawberries is death. Strawberries and chocolate sauce is ice cream. Strawberries and ice cream is bananas. strawberries, and bananas is strawberries.
I see your pattern.
What's the pattern?
It's,
don't.
it's,
the next one.
It's
Yeah.
the next one on the
whatever
table.
you're multiplying by, I think it's like the next one on the table.
It's
But
Wait,
then that doesn't fit because then this would have to be chocolate sauce.
No, the first one you're multiplying
no,
by.
this
the
is
next
chocolate. No,
Wait a second.
That would be chocolate sauce.
no, it's death.
Yeah, so there's no chocolate sauce. You can never get chocolate sauce.
With strawberries.
That's tragic.
I had.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Wait for just a second. Aiden had a thought, and then we'll
Well,
come
can I
back to
fill out my
Grace.
table like that?
Well, we're gonna have to all agree.
My thought
However we do it.
was
What was your thought, Aiden?
that there would be that certain
I think things lightsabers with
objects
themselves
besides
need to not
death.
be nothing.
Hold on a second.
some would be stronger than the other and could cancel another out if lightsaber or dark saber would be other.
Okay,
Oh, so you think some things are gonna cancel out? Well, we've got some rules about things lightsabering with death, right? Canceling out or.
anything
turning them
with
themselves.
itself
Right,
being
but
death
what
makes it
about
so
X?
that if you have a
Lightsaber, dark
pattern, you
saber,
can't
X.
properly get one of the things.
We need to get one of the things.
Oh.
So what? So and it would be simpler just to have one. Can't have to cancel out another.
So, I think Shlomo and Aiden actually have similar points. Shlomo, say that again.
If you have a pattern, you can't, like, for example, if your pattern is the next thing over, for example, well, you can't get chocolate sauce because there's only 3 spaces. One of them is taken up by death.
Yeah, you'll never get chocolate
You'll
sauce.
never get chocolate sauce in that case. And with
Well,
my
maybe-
pattern,
maybe
you can't
you can
get
do that.
strawberries.
Maybe you can just say you can never get one of them.
Well, if
One
you
of them is
can't
only
make an
an ingredient.
operation to,
Oh, one of them just gets always annihilated.
In my
Unless it's
case,
death.
that's
Unless
strawberry.
it's multiplied by death, though.
Right. In which case it might come back. Well, that would be interesting. So let's try it.
Or
So,
lightsaber.
so let's see here. Okay, Grace. Wait. Let's just listen to Grace's thought, and then we'll come back, Aiden.
Lightsaber or dark saber?
You decide. Give us an opinion.
For my lightsaber table, the first thing you're multiplying by always had presidents. Always was the answer unless you were multiplying by itself, like strawberries and strawberries.
Oh. So this times this, it's chocolate sauce. This times this, or lightsaber with this, chocolate sauce. It's
Yeah.
always. Oh, okay.
And it was pretty much the opposite for my dark saber table. So the second one. So whenever you were multiplying by strawberries, it was strawberries.
but can I fill mine out?
Unless you were multiplying again by.
Although I don't have one for dark saber.
Okay. Aiden, what was your thought?
Well, filling in all the empty parts and the dark saber answer.
Oh, that we need to do it, you mean?
Yeah.
Definitely need to do it. I agree. Any other thoughts?
I'm still thinking.
Which method that we should do? So we have a method where, now in your method,
What it is, first of all, I make sure that, well, the first row is, nothing, bananas,
no bananas in the first row.
no, nothing, then, and
Oh.
then bananas,
Bananas.
and then chocolate sauce, and then, ice cream.
So no strawberries. So in
no
the strawberry row, no strawberries come out.
Yeah, there are
Is
no
that
strawberries in my
lightsaber or
entire
dark saber?
chart, actually.
Is that
because-
And in
lightsaber or
this
dark
row,
saber?
no chocolate sauce would come out, right?
No,
Oh.
it's not how the pattern
Oh, it didn't work
works.
like that.
I could make the pattern work like that.
Well, maybe we should. I mean, that would be interesting. Let's think about that. Yeah, Asia.
It seems like the only way that you can get all of them, like all of them, and not make it so that only one is like if it's so you know how I think someone he couldn't get strawberries with this.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the only one that you can get all of them is actually braces.
No, that's not the only one. You can make up other patterns.
Well, in every row for mine, you only get.
Well, let's
For
try this.
every row in my lightsaber, you still get everything but one. You get everything but
I know, but you
'Cause
don't leave out
I
one of
think
them
that-
for like the whole thing. That's what I mean.
Go ahead, Joseph.
Actually, I'm not sure what I was going to say.
Wait, but with my system, it's commutative in all situations except with death.
Okay, and yours?
Could we do the like one thing besides death is stronger than another thing besides death, so it cancels without doing a lightsaber or dark saber thing? Could we do that?
Oh, like each one of these is stronger, we rank how strong they are?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would be very confusing.
And
No,
then,
wouldn't? If we did
No,
strawberries
but we
first.
And then the stronger ones
solid.
just wipe out the weaker ones?
and then, oh, and lightsaber
Strawberries
always
naturally
works like that?
Yeah, strawberries the first. Strawberries should be first because it's a solid.
Well, it looks like-
you'd have to make different rankings for, you couldn't do just 1, 2, 3, 4 in both ways.
All right, so we've
Because
got,
then you'd end up with,
two main ideas here.
I fixed my
One idea is this business about having a pattern where this item doesn't appear in that row, this item doesn't appear in that row, this item doesn't appear in that row, this one doesn't appear there, although this one does appear in its row, but that's, death is weird. So,
Like 0.
but then another option that we're hearing here is to do stronger. So 1 always is the answer. So when you lightsaber strawberries and chocolate sauce, one of those is considered stronger and it just wins.
Strawberry.
For me,
So which, do we want to do one of those as lightsabering and one as dark sabering? We could do that because we have 2 operations.
yeah, I had it like one of the first one.
Can we use mine for lightsabering since I don't have one for dark saber? A pattern.
For mine,
I made a
For
pattern.
mine, it was like that, except the first one for lightsabering and dark sabering, because the first one, no matter what you lightsabered it by, it was always itself, and for dark sabering, it was the second one. Whatever got dark sabered by, whatever you dark sabered it by.
Okay.
I made a
thinking
functional
that,
pattern that you can repeat that is,
Okay.
I think we should do.
Wait,
strawberries.
Aiden, go ahead, and then we'll cut to you.
I was thinking that if you're dark sabering instead of lightsabering, then the rays are turned backwards.
Okay.
Are we deciding to do the strongness based on the?
I like the rankings idea.
So,
Yeah, I do too.
Luca, which one, Luca, you had which one of those did you like for lightsabering? The one where there would be no strawberry in this row?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I draw it up?
So Shlomo and Luca have 2 different ways of doing this, I think.
Can we use yours for dark sabering and mine for lightsaber?
well, no, because
Because we're going to do something different for dark sabering. So, what is your first row?
Want me to draw it?
you can draw it in here, yeah.
Just tell me the letters and I'll do it that way. So your first row for the strawberry
of
row.
course nothing at the start.
Yeah. So we have nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Bananas. Strawberries.
Bananas. Strawberries, and then nothing again.
Wait,
no.
strawberries?
No, well, there's strawberries.
Well, we shouldn't
in
have
the
strawberries in the strawberry row. That's the
That's
thing.
what we're.
So that has to be chocolate sauce.
Or something else. So what was your proposal?
It's a repeatable pattern that
Oh, what is it for the strawberry row?
nothing, of course. Bananas, chocolate sauce, and then ice cream.
So why can't it have strawberries in the strawberry row?
Okay, so let's roll with this one. So we've got our nothing. We've got, so this one is supposed to be a banana, right?
Yeah.
Can't draw a banana very well. Let's see.
And I made sure though that
Banana.
the first
Chocolate
part of
sauce.
the operation is never the outcome.
Okay.
If I did this right. Of
Ice
course, without-
cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
Okay, so that's that row. And then what do we do for the chocolate sauce row?
Bananas,
Okay,
nothing.
yep.
strawberry. And ice cream. After that.
Again,
Ice cream again?
Yeah, but it changes after that. It's,
Okay,
If
so
you recognize
bananas
the pattern.
produce ice cream twice, huh?
oh yeah. But after that, they'll produce chocolate. Okay.
Well, that's a little worrying though that, I mean, this way it's gonna be kind of weird, right?
Well,
Well, I just looked at this thing and it kind of makes sense.
Does it? Okay, should we keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. What's your next one?
the ice cream row is bananas.
Okay, bananas.
in the first row again.
Oh, that's a bad banana.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Okay,
Nothing, of course.
yep,
And then chocolate sauce.
okay. Okay,
Strawberries make bananas twice.
And then ice cream.
strawberries do
Yeah, see,
make bananas
it does
twice, it
that.
makes this one makes ice cream twice. Alright,
So I can predict that the next one's going to be strawberries twice. Chocolate sauce is going to make strawberries twice.
Yes, it will.
so there'll be a strawberry here, is what you're saying?
Yeah,
Ooh.
and there will be, it is a pattern, so
Okay, what's this one?
ice cream,
Okay,
and the one that's not filled in is chocolate sauce.
That one makes chocolate sauce twice.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it does.
Well, it will afterwards.
Well,
if
this
you
does.
extend
This
it.
way.
Oh, well, yeah,
This
if
way.
it loops, then yeah, it does.
uh-huh. So that's
Not twice
interesting.
in a row, but twice.
So that's what we're doing for lightsabering. Interesting. How about dark sabering? I'm gonna switch colors.
Everything
We should
is
do
death.
ranking for dark side.
Oh, yeah, we should do the ranking. So is
I think death should be the, wait, what's the ranking system do again?
well, I'm a little bit unclear about dark sabering because we also have this rule about death, which is an extra rule, right? So we have to
Yeah,
be
we could,
careful with whatever our ranking rule is going to be. It has to work with the rules we already have, or we have to get rid of them.
What's the
No,
ranking?
Oh,
can't
you
get
know
rid of
what? So you could just rank death
Jinx.
first and at the top of dark sabering and last at the side of dark sabering, so that it's over everything at the top.
But are we going from right? We're going. This is the first position, right?
Oh, you're right. Yeah. So other way around.
So actually, it's. Is it stronger? No. So this is right? Death is stronger on this side.
Yeah.
But it's weaker on this side.
Yeah.
So on this
So
side.
you'd put that last.
All right.
Let me rank this. Give
Yes,
me a sec.
Aiden.
I think that these ranking rules are getting a bit mixed up with this, and that this shouldn't really have a rank.
I think it should.
That the rank. I think that since we already have rules for this, we should the ranking rules are going to be for the other objects.
Oh, do you think that they will go the same way whether they're first or second?
Well,
But this ranking rule already
Hey,
works
that-
with
that-
this
we are just kind of expressing what we already had as part of the ranking rule.
Although he might be right. If we try to do the ranking rule differently here from here, we might get confused.
Well, we could have this one be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then the
This
other
way?
one be
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
and then have the other one be fifth, fourth, third, second, first.
This way.
Yeah.
Now, will this get us in trouble?
I don't see how it would.
Yeah, it seems right.
Well,
As
my
long as it's
concern
only
is.
for
So
dark
what if we
vision.
have
It's
what
not
if we
super
have
dark.
ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay, dark sabered
Mhm.
with ice cream.
We have already made that rule, and it's ice cream.
Oh, it is ice cream.
That was one of our rules over there.
That makes sense. Okay, and then what if we have ice cream
So do I?
dark sabered? Or well, I guess I should say banana, because we have to read it from right to
Yeah.
left, right? Because we all
Yeah.
voted on that. I keep forgetting that.
Me too.
So if we have banana dark sabered with ice cream. So banana dark sabered with ice cream. We said it's second over there.
It would
Yeah.
be
Ice cream is third over here. So what will the answer be? Banana?
Yeah,
Wait,
banana.
Because it
wait,
wins.
wait. Where are we?
Whoa. Yeah, it would be banana.
Banana, dark sabered with ice cream.
Yeah, it'd be
Yeah, it'd be banana.
Banana. Okay, well let's try to fill it in and see if we run into trouble.
I don't see how we should,
Okay, so
but
let
I
me.
don't plan ahead.
Someone tell me strawberry, dark sabered with strawberry. What's that?
strawberry.
Strawberry.
Okay.
I'm losing it. I'm
Yeah,
losing it.
just fill in the things for themselves.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea because we can do that. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is just going to be itself. I squished the death there, but
Yeah, death gets squished a lot.
we've got ice cream there.
Ah, they're moving too
banana.
fast.
You know,
Sorry,
Actually,
this
ice
dark
cream's-
sabering everything with
ice
itself.
cream's third on both of them.
Okay,
That's
this one
'cause it's the
is death. Dark sabered with itself is definitely got to be death.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there we go. So
It's
now,
You know, if you read right to left, or like the right to
Oh.
left, then it's left to right.
okay, so now we're going to do chocolate sauce, dark sabered with strawberries. Which one wins?
Strawberries because they're higher rank.
In both. Oh, but except that it's a lower rank in this category.
If we're reading it right to left, we need to change those ones up there.
Bananas.
These are lightsabers.
Yeah, I know, but everything is right to left,
Yeah, those are
Oh.
not
left to
just
right.
dark saber.
So, are you saying that? Well, so this
They
is
just
just death.
reverse them because
Death
death
lightsabered with
lightsaber with X is death.
Instead of X, because we're reading
Death
right to left.
lightsabered with anything is death, as we have in our chart.
How about we just
Because
leave
the
it on
top
left
goes
to right?
first.
Oh, you're right.
So those are just
So this has to go the other way around.
yeah, they're just mixed up because
And this one has to go the other way.
decided that
This one has to go the other way around too, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So you're right. That's important. So we've got this, and we've got X here, but down here it goes the other way. X and okay. So there we go. We've got that. So now let's go ahead. Well, I'm still worried about this business about chocolate sauce, dark sabered with strawberry sauce, because chocolate sauce outranks strawberries up here.
Which one's
But
first?
Strawberries and chocolate sauce is first.
Then and chocolate sauce. There you go.
So the chocolate sauce ranking wins, and even though this is
No.
so this has no
Yes.
bearing. Then.
Chocolate sauce loses.
How does it
Chocolate sauce
lose?
goes.
First is on the right. There you go.
First is
That is what
first.
we established.
So that's strawberry.
That's strawberry.
This is strawberry.
Yeah.
How is that strawberry? No, look.
Because
First is on the
strawberry's
top.
ranked first.
But first is on the top. See, look. Chocolate sauce is the one being lightsabered first, right?
Dark
Here,
saber.
how am
Well,
I
maybe
gonna-
we just
we
move
ran
all
into
those up one
trouble.
position. So we call, or we could do this. Have that strawberry on the side first, chocolate sauce second, ice
No,
cream third, banana
I
fourth,
think you're
death
misunderstanding.
fifth. But then have death on the top be sixth, and then, or no, sorry, the other way around.
Here, I think you're misunderstanding what I'm saying. See, what's the name? Look, we established that the top, all the top stuff above it is first, then the second row is second, so it would be chocolate sauce, or dark savory, I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dark savory. Chocolate sauce, dark savory with strawberry, because chocolate sauce came first in that equation, outranks the strawberry.
No.
You see what I'm saying right
But
Hold on just a second. You let Joseph finish his thought.
for instance, look at that spot that we did with,
Bananas and ice cream.
what is it? Bananas and ice cream. Banana dark saber by ice cream. We got banana.
Because
Wait, yeah,
banana
that
is
one would still come out. So, yeah, I don't know.
Okay, Aiden, what's your thought?
This seems a bit complicated.
Sure. But you know,
Math
how
is
math works.
complicated.
hey, if you want to make it complicated, you can make it complicated.
Right.
So I do think that there's a problem with having a ranking here and a ranking here.
Just
we,
do
we
which-
either need to decide this ranking is just it, and we don't even worry about this side.
Well, just
Well,
do which
the
numeral.
problem is that the
The
rankings are different.
Just do what
Right.
numeral comes first in the equation from right to left is what I'm saying.
No, I really like that actually, because then it wouldn't be
I like it.
commutative.
What's that? What's your idea, Luca? How should this work?
This makes perfect sense. I love this
Okay.
because then strawberry is
Amazing.
first over here, and chocolate sauce is fourth over here.
But wait,
This would be
Luca,
strawberry. But then
Luca.
over here, chocolate sauce is second.
What about
And strawberry is fifth. So chocolate sauce it would be here.
Wait,
chocolate sauce,
Luca,
and here's strawberry.
Luca? What about death, dark savored by strawberry?
Death. Dark saber by
So that's death up there.
Death.
Death is first. You have to start up there.
Death.
Dark
Ah.
savored.
That's
Oh, that is a problem.
Ooh. Yeah, somehow
Death.
death.
So you
Somehow it
could
got to
say
be death.
the top ranks over the bottom only when
When
they're
it's
the same
equal,
rank.
yeah.
Yeah, that makes
So
sense.
for
Yeah, that's a
example,
good idea.
like
Okay.
banana and so banana and banana is
Okay,
So you could say that the death,
banana
It-
and
it
chocolate
get-
sauce would be
yeah, death lightsabered by strawberry
no,
is
chocolate
death
sauce banana
only because
would,
this
Only
one is
because-
first.
would be
only
chocolate.
because they have the same ranking.
And this is the first
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay,
And
so
chocolate-
this is death.
Yeah.
Also, we sort of need it to be death by the rule,
Yeah.
the axiom we had.
Also, chocolate sauce banana
Here,
would be
right?
chocolate
Oh.
sauce.
Actually, no.
No,
now I'm really
yeah, it
confused.
does.
We said it had to be strawberry.
Oh, it did.
Okay, so then
But
the
that's a
second
special
one.
rule
Okay.
that applies to death.
We could just
Yeah,
say
but we
Yeah,
can't
would
make
death
it
be
just
the
go
Could
like
get
that.
rid of
we
the death
could say
rules.
that
Yeah.
we could
I mean,
say
that's
that
Maybe we
in the
should.
case of them being the same,
Can we
the
please
bottom,
just do
the
it right
second
to
one
left,
ranks
left to
bottom.
right?
Okay, so are we going to get rid of the
Left
death
to right,
rules for
right to
dark
left.
sabering?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah,
Okay.
get rid of death rules.
Can we please just do it left to right? It's
Because
so
we don't
much
want-
easier and less confusing that way.
Nope, it's too late. Right to left was voted on.
Okay, so
We're
that
done.
means that
This happens
chocolate
in,
sauce.
by the way, Luca, this happens in math all the time. Some crazy people would have like, oh, we have to write things just this one way. And then we're stuck with that forever, that
Chocolate
notation,
sauce,
until somebody's like, no,
dark
no, no.
saber
Yeah,
no,
this
they're
is
gonna change it.
divergent
would
thinking
be
right there.
chocolate
No,
sauce.
no,
Sometimes-
chocolate change it.
Sometimes early on, you know, some notation gets established, and later on, people just like, they've been
Chocolate
using it so long,
sauce,
they
dark
they get
sabered
this up.
banana would be chocolate sauce because chocolate sauce and banana are the same rank, but
Chocolate sauce dark sabered with banana is
they're the
what?
same rank,
Chocolate
but
sauce.
chocolate sauce overrules it because it's the
So
first
chocolate.
in the operation.
Okay. So let me see if I can get the first row done. So strawberry, dark sabered with strawberry is still strawberry. We were all
Yeah.
agreed about that. Okay. Chocolate sauce, dark sabered with strawberry is
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, everything is strawberry on that row.
That's interesting. Oh.
Except death,
Death.
because
Except death.
because death outranks strawberry.
So there's a whole lot of strawberries in this dark sabering right here. Oh, this is interesting. Let's see what happens in this row. So what about chocolate or strawberries dark sabered with chocolate sauce?
It's
Chocolate
chocolate.
Oh,
sauce.
this.
Okay, what's this?
Chocolate
Chocolate
sauce.
sauce.
Okay. What about this?
Banana.
Banana.
Death.
Okay. And this one.
Death.
Oh,
Death.
I'm messing up. Sorry.
Wait. Well, I
It's hard to
already
see
filled
it
out my
'cause it's so
dad's
small.
Dark
I'm
saber
sorry.
table, and we had already made that
It's
rule.
chocolate sauce, banana.
Death.
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 No,
And
Banana.
then
no.
the next one's going to be ice cream, ice
We
cream,
took out the death rules.
Ice cream banana.
Wait. Oh, because
Ice cream?
because ice cream is both. Because ice cream's in the middle,
Ice cream.
it's still ice cream in the middle.
Ice cream
Banana
banana.
death.
Ice cream. Banana.
Death.
And then death.
Okay, and
Interesting.
that's gonna be banana chocolate sauce ice cream.
Banana. So
Banana.
yeah, banana
You made a
first.
very creative system.
That's for sure. Banana. I've never
Chocolate-
seen one like this.
chocolate
Chocolate
sauce,
sauce.
Ice cream.
Ice
Wait.
cream.
Why is
Oh,
that banana?
Why is this banana, you guys?
Yeah.
The
It
fourth
should be
Fourth
banana.
over fifth.
Oh yeah,
Fourth
you're right.
over
Sorry.
fifth?
And then that'd be ice cream because it's more than fourth. And then banana.
Okay. And then banana.
Wait, hold on. Slow
Banana
down,
death.
please.
Okay.
Slow down.
Okay.
Please, I'm sorry.
The last row is
I'm
always
gonna fill it
death.
in, then I'll stop. Okay.
Last row is always death because it outranks everything.
I know.
No, it'll be everything because death is fifth and only straw. It'll be itself.
Because death it outranks everything. Death on the top outranks everything.
Yeah,
it even
but not on
outranks
the
death
bottom.
on the bottom.
Are we good,
But-
John?
Yeah, so
Can I
the
keep
top
going?
row is going to be like that, but the bottom row is going to be the
Hold on
opposite.
a
Yeah,
second.
it's
We're
gonna
on the
be
fourth,
himself.
right?
Yeah.
Like in
I'll wait till-
lightsabering, anything by death.
I'll wait till everybody's caught up. Does anyone need me to
like in light.
Okay, I'm good now.
John's ready. Does anyone else need me to wait?
No.
It'll be the same
Wait,
as
are you
light
erasing
sabering
it?
on the bottom.
No, I'm just going to fill in the last row.
What happened to the death rules?
The death rules went away because they were contradicting with our ranking rules.
Wait, what's
You
the...
destroy
So-
my death rules.
Yeah, the death rules went away because we had to make a choice between the ranking rules. But the death rules linger on in the lightsabering.
Oh, this is so cool.
Okay, last row.
It's gonna be the same
Strawberry.
as light sabering.
Strawberry.
With death is strawberry. Interesting.
It's gonna be
Chocolate
same
sauce
as light
with death
sabering.
is chocolate
Chocolate
sauce.
sauce.
Chocolate
Ice cream
sauce.
with chocolate.
Ice cream and
death is
Ice
Ice
This is
cream.
chocolate sauce.
everything is itself in that.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Shoot.
Everything is itself, so kind of the death rules still apply.
Yeah, it sort of does.
Banana.
Yeah.
So not all the death rules.
No,
So
I
sort
might
of
have
the
screwed
death
up
rules-
terribly.
Except the death rules actually match. Notice that the lightsabering and dark sabering does the same thing.
Yeah, on death. Because death
With
is
the death
weird.
columns and rows.
Yeah, because death is weird.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's because of our death rules.
I might have screwed up terribly. Yep, I screwed up terribly. Dang-nabbit.
I think we did make it right with the
Everyone
death
screws
rules.
up here.
So
So
maybe we can
everybody-
put back the death rules and they'll still work. Because
Oh, they're the same as the lightsaber rules,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
they're the same as the
So it
lightsaber.
doesn't matter if it's lightsabering or if it's dark sabering.
The symbol for lightsaber or dark saber could just
But
be
check it
both
and
of them
make sure it
overlapping.
Yeah, I think it does, because look, all of these match, right?
Mhm.
And these match.
Oh, did I screw up terribly on this one?
That's first.
It's beautiful.
No?
Wait,
No?
no.
Beautiful.
Wait.
No? Yay! Okay, hold on.
Beautiful.
Hold on, I'm sorry. I
Let's
screwed
work
up
out
terribly.
that you drew on the
So
bottom.
X is
Yay,
lightsaber.
Right.
yay,
So let's do this.
X is dark
Now-
saber.
Banana, banana.
Have we decided that the order of operations is dark sabering first? I
Yes,
think
we
we
did.
decide
We
that.
did.
Okay, so banana.
So banana
strawberry.
dark sabered with strawberry
Strawberry.
is what? Banana
Banana.
dark sabered with strawberry
Strawberry.
is
Strawberry.
strawberry. So these two to come together to make a strawberry.
Okay, now what's banana lightsaber
Lightsabered with
strawberry?
strawberry.
Banana
Banana
lightsaber strawberry
lightsaber
hybrid.
strawberry
It's ice cream.
is ice cream.
Okay, so then we have,
So now we have ice cream lightsaber with ice cream.
I'm gonna put that over here. So we have ice cream lightsabered with ice cream. And what's that?
No, why
Death.
not ice
Death.
cream lightsaber?
Ice cream.
Why not ice cream lightsaber
It's
with
death.
with strawberry? Because I mean, why not?
No, because you had
Anything lightsabered with itself is
Yeah, but I'm
is
saying
death.
why is it why where did the strawberry go?
Where did the strawberry go? We did banana lightsabered with that strawberry, and it became.
Oh yeah,
ice cream.
yeah, I forgot
And then
about
I
that.
brought
Yeah,
over the
it was
lightsaber and the
lightsaber.
strawberry.
So
I ran out of room.
that's a deadly smoothie.
So the
I mean,
answer
not
to
deadly,
Smoothie. Let's all
it's a
drink
deadly
some.
banana split.
There you go. So what I want you guys to do, here's your homework because it is time for us to go.
Aww.
Your homework is, you should definitely write down the rules.
Deadly banana split.
And your homework is to come up with, like, make up some string of operations with these objects and lightsabering and dark sabering and work out what the answer
Okay,
is.
hold on. Let
Take
me
a picture
quickly
of the
jot
board
down this
because-
Sure, if you can get close enough. I don't know if you can
Could
read
you
what I'm
email that picture to me too?
No,
Dang it.
I can't.
Alright, then I'll just try and jot it down and see
Try
if I
to
remember
get
what
it,
this
try to
means
make
to
sure
me.
get it down if you're not sure what I've drawn.
So,
So
death,
according to these rules, or make up your own
These rules.
lightsabered with X equals X, and I'm writing it left to right again. What is the matter with me? X lightsabered or dark.
Is that fun?
X
Oh yeah, that's a good enough picture.
lightsabered or.
And remember, we're always going right to left. That's important. And that dark sabering has order of operations precedence over light sabering from right to left.
D equals D and dark saber rules. I'll just write.
There we go.
Is it clear enough? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Wait. Should have done a
Wait, can you
panorama.
please let me finish?
Of course.
Yeah, all along with it.
Grace, do you want me to get a picture of it? So make sure you've got your
want a picture of the board?
light sabering and dark
Here, you can
sabering
do
rules
Oh, I don't know if
and
it
have a
will.
good week.
I will. This is fun. Dad's gonna love this.
14%.
I have never seen a system this crazy. by
Me
the way.
neither. I love it.
It's wonderful.
It is
I know exactly.
Let's
It's
do
wonderfully
calculus
terrific.
with it.
wonderfully terrific.
Oh, that I don't even know.
Let's do calculus with it.
Yeah.
Hmm. Well, we'd have to have a continuum for calculus, so,
So how about we stick with this basic stuff first before we make advanced calculus?
yeah, just maybe not with this system.
How about
Advanced banana
pre-algebra?
split.
Advanced banana split calculus.
That would be interesting.
Banana split algebra.
Let me
would be
let me
very
finish
hard to
college,
do.
and then I'll do that. Let me finish college. okay?
Imagine trying to do banana split
I don't-
algebra.
Well, actually, that would be interesting. Solve it for, so you have an X in here somewhere, and you have to figure out which one is the missing one.
Yeah, let's
Our
do that.
variables
Next
should be
week.
numbers.
Next
Variables
week.
should be numbers.
We will
No,
do that.
variables should be
So-
their own symbol.
Variables should be numbers.
No, variables are just gonna be like X's for now.
Yeah.
Because
For now.
we've got too much craziness. Next week, remind me, we're
They
gonna do
can-
banana
They
split
can be
algebra.
empty